Why did you become an AirNode operator? My journey with World Mobile began as one of the earliest AirNode operators, driven by both belief in the mission and financial potential to support my goal of early retirement. From the start, I was inspired by the vision connecting the unconnected using blockchain technology in a real-world, scalable way. When AirNodes launched, I realized just how powerful the community could be in building connectivity. Unlike traditional telecom models, where a central company funds and controls infrastructure, AirNodes made it possible for everyday people like me to participate directly. The launch of the first batch was especially memorable. It felt experimental, with unknowns around rewards, multiple node types, an earnings calculator just gives an estimate for you, and etc. Despite the uncertainty, I went in wholeheartedly. I couldn't secure a portal in the first batch due to high demand. But in the second batch, I was able to grab 11 link nodes. Watching them go live on the dashboard within days and seeing the first revenue appear by the next month made the mission feel real and achievable. Becoming an AirNode operator was not just about financial opportunity. It was about being part of a movement where the power of decentralization meets real-world impact. How do you reinvest your rewards? Rewards are not just earnings, they are fuel for growth. A large portion is reinvested into acquiring more AirNodes in almost every batch, which not only grows my contribution, but also helps the network connect more people. Through my company, Lattice FinServe, I operate AirNodes for people who want to participate but face barriers such as lack of blockchain knowledge, time constraints, currency exchange issues, not knowing how to get started, or simply being unaware that such an opportunity exists. This Node as a Service helps bring more people into the ecosystem, allowing them to engage with and benefit from World Mobile. The fees generated from this service are again reinvested into more nodes. So the cycle continues to strengthen the network. Since that second batch, where I purchased 11 link nodes, I have kept building steadily. And today, through reinvesting rewards and Node as a Service fees, I have gone on to purchase around 365 Spark AirNodes. While my current focus is on AirNodes, I plan to extend this service to EarthNodes, either in fractional or full, once they start generating revenue. That way, even those who find the cost of an EarthNode out of reach can still participate meaningfully in the ecosystem. Looking further ahead, when I have built up a sizable revenue stream and customer base, I aim to take the next step of becoming a World Mobile partner through my company. That would allow me to expand participation even more broadly and play a bigger role in growing the network. Being part of this movement is what keeps me motivated beyond the numbers and operations. How does it feel to be involved in World Mobile? Being involved with World Mobile feels like participating in something revolutionary. Most of the time, connecting underserved communities is either an unpaid charitable act or a business model driven purely by profit. World Mobile has reimagined that. Here, the community, like myself, drives the expansion of connectivity. And operators like us are rewarded for helping solve one of the world's biggest challenges. It's inspiring to see how a bold vision can challenge long-standing telecom monopolies and empower people through decentralization. Being part of this mission makes me feel not just like an investor, but like a contributor to meaningful global change. Why should you join the whitelist? The whitelist is the only way to secure early access to AirNode batches, a full 48 hours before they go public. And history shows that's critical. None of the batches so far have lasted more than a few minutes or at max a couple of hours before selling out. Even the larger ones like Titan, they could have costed somewhere around 100k USD, but still they sell out so fast. So whitelist is the only way you can get your spot. Another benefit is the Spark AirNodes. When purchased in bulk, they come with attractive discounts. That means even first-time buyers can maximize their participation from the start. By joining the whitelist, you ensure you're not left out of a project that combines blockchain with real-world impact. It gives you a seamless path to participate with multiple payment options like bank transfers, crypto payments, or your bank cards, credit or debit, and a fair chance to claim your spot in this growing network. How would you define the future of telecoms? The future of telecoms will be shaped by communities and blockchain-powered models like World Mobile. Traditional telecoms will face serious challenges if they try to hold on to old ways. Instead, they'll need to adapt by building on the World Mobile chain, becoming MVNOs, mobile virtual network operators within the ecosystem, or partnering with decentralized infrastructure. Reinventing from scratch will take too long and risks leaving them behind. The future isn't fully decentralized, but rather a balance where communities, governments, and traditional operators all play a role. Projects like World Mobile are flipping the model from top-down control to bottom-up empowerment. And that shift, where people help build and share the rewards of connectivity, will define the next era of telecoms.